vegan egg rolls. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do vegan egg rolls. We're gonna do 2 different types of vegan egg rolls. So we're gonna have the meatless steak style strips is one type of egg roll, and we're gonna do a barbecue jackfruit version of an egg roll. They're both gonna have cheese in it. The steak one will have the Daiya dairy-free cheddar style shreds, and the barbecue jackfruit version is going to have the mozzarella style shreds. Also, I have here some green pepper, red pepper, and onions. And I have some mushrooms. And we're also gonna have some avocado that I'm gonna put into our steak style vegan egg rolls. And of course, the main attraction is going to be the egg roll wraps, which are also vegan. I will be seasoning my vegetables with salt, kosher salt, sea salt, excuse me. We're gonna do a little black pepper. And also, I'm going to do some Cavender all-purpose seasoning. All right, so now I'm about to add in my steak style strips. Now these steak style strips are seasoned, so I won't be adding any additional seasoning because I seasoned my vegetables. And you're gonna saute these on the stove for 12 minutes. Turn them frequently until they're piping hot and slightly brown. Or you can microwave these in the microwave for 7 minutes. Okay, so our filling is done for our vegan steak style strips. And we're going to be moving on to our barbecue jackfruit filling for our vegan jackfruit egg rolls. Okay, so now we are working on our filling for our barbecue jackfruit vegan egg roll. And we're going to do the same. We're going to put our veggies in. We're going to season those veggies up as well. Put in our little seasoning. Season up these veggies. A little bit of pepper. Pour some salt. And we're going to saute these vegetables to how we want them cooked. You can cook them however you want. If you want them crunchy, you are more than welcome to make it that way. So we are sauteing these up. And once we get them to where we want them to be, then we will add our barbecue jackfruit to the vegetables. Alright, so we got our veggies and our peppers sauteed the way we want them sauteed. Now we're going to add in our barbecue jackfruit. I don't know if they may have it in any grocery store, but they had it at mine, so I said I wanted to try it. So we're going to cook this one here until it is warm. You can put it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. In this case, we're cooking it on the stove on medium heat for 5 minutes. Alright, so we have our barbecue jackfruit, our peppers and onion mix ready to go, and we're going to start making our egg rolls. Okay, so we have our setup here for our steak, vegan egg rolls. So we're going to do the following here. We got our Daiya shredded cheddar shreds, they call it. We're going to put a slice of avocado in there as well. So we're going to start off with putting a little bit of cheese on the top, on the bottom, and so. And then we're going to put in our vegan strips that we sauteed on the stove. Yes, indeed. If you happen to have any leftover, like filling that you don't want to use, especially with the vegan steak strips, you can make this into like a burrito bowl. The leftover vegetables and the mushrooms and stuff, you can put it into like a little rice bowl and make it happen that way. And we're going to put on there a slice of avocado. And we're going to put on there some cheese shreds, some cheddar shreds as they call it. Now, hoo-wee, this is going to be heavy. It's to say we're going to roll this. So, we're going to here. And we're going to make sure we're pushing all this goodness in. And so, like, this is going to be a Fat Daddy vegan egg roll. Now it looks like I'm just playing with the food here.
As you may not know, Fat Daddies are using fat.
Yeah, they are. They're going to use some
fat, oil, cheese.
And I got a little water here because I'm going to dibble the points here. And I'm going to close it up. Make sure you tuck in your little edges. Like I said, this one is a little Fat Daddy, so I may reduce him down a little bit to the next one. And then we'll have him, Fat Daddy, vegan Fat Daddy, rolled up, ready to go, and to fry him up. Okay, as you can tell, Fat Daddy a little too chunky. So we're gonna double roll her. We call them her, him, whatever. So he can be fully covered and protected. So my next egg roll is going to be a tad bit more smaller, to say the least. I'll put our water around here and tuck them in like that. Tuck them in like that. And rolling. And there we have them. So the next egg rolls that I make will not be as big. This will just be a special one. Maybe we can give the Fat Daddy one to Daddy. Okay, so now we finished doing our vegan steak and cheese and avocado vegan rolls. Now we're gonna get started with our barbecue jackfruit mixture. I'm not gonna put any avocados in this one, but I am just gonna keep it really simple because we do have the jackfruit and pepper and vegetable mixture. So we're gonna put a little bit in here. And then I'm gonna put, of course, our Daiya Mastyle shreds in there. Learning that these egg roll wrappers, less is more, as they say. So, don't forget you got to wet your edges with some water, or you can do a little egg wash. And we will proceed to fold it. And I'm going to grab it up here. Make sure all my goodies are in there. Sure it's up in there. Then proceed to roll. We're going to roll. And bada bing, bada boom. There is our infamous egg roll. And I will proceed to do more. All right, y'all, so we just finished doing our vegan egg rolls. These are our lovely steak style ones. And these here are our barbecue jackfruit. As you can tell by the size, they're a little more narrow. I think that the steak was a little more chunkier, so it gave me a little more grief. But I learned that making egg rolls, less is more. But we're about to start frying them. Now, I did make a lot of egg rolls. It's just 3 of us. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna take some of these egg rolls and you can freeze them and save them for a later time. Put them in the freezer, and when you're ready, you can pop them out. You can fry them on the stove, or you can cook them in your air fryer, or however you wanna do it. But that's also an option as well. Okay, so we got our oil on the stove. You should have it at medium to high heat. And we're gonna start frying our vegan tacos. Like I said, you can bake them in the oven, you could put them in an air fryer, but in this case, we're gonna try this version in a fried style. We're gonna do this fried. Right now I'm putting in my vegan steak egg rolls. And they are gonna cook really quick. So you got to eyeball them and don't leave your pan too much because they will start to turn brown quickly. Okay, so we're ready to pull out this the steak tacos that we just put in. And we're gonna let them drain on a paper towel, or you got a cookie sheet, you drain them on there as well. All right, so we're now starting our barbecue jackfruit egg rolls. Here we go. Like I said, eyeball them because they will cook quickly. And we'll be back. Okay, here's our barbecue jackfruit ready to come on out. All right, so we have completed our vegan egg rolls, and me and Bree gonna try them out. And we did decorate with a little avocado, and we put in some ranch dressing. More than likely that's not a vegan item, but they do have a vegan ranch version.
Or you can make it yourself at home.
Or you can make your own version of whatever sauce or dipping sauce that you want to put it in. So as you can see, we have here the steak. Oh my goodness. With the avocado in it. And we have the mozzarella shreds with the barbecue jackfruit. And we're going to check it out. Okay, Bree, you know the rule. No double dipping, right? All right, ready? And we know if it ain't right, we gonna say, not. If it's a go, then we can keep it flowing, right? We going. All right, ready? Get set, and you dip your barbecue one. Oh, you going lightweight, huh? I'm gonna try this steak one in here.
Cheers.
Salute. Yes. I like this.
I'm not double dipping, but this is like the piece that I bite.
How about we give you a spoon and you just tip it on there?
But that's the.
You need a little spoon. You can put a little more on there. That's all I got. This is good. And the avocado is not soggy. It's still firm. Mama.
And the cheesy.
All right, so Bree, you say yay?
Yay.
I say yay. No nays. And we done.
Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment for videos like these. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications to be the first one to watch our videos. Alright, and I will see you later. Bye.
Peace. Love y'all.